You know what was the dumbest thing I did as a kid? Wished I was an adult. Hi guys, today we're gonna sit down and do another Dollar Tree haul. I'm gonna share with you what I found, what I picked up that I absolutely obviously had to have. That's just how I always do it here on my channel. I always wanna sit down and show you guys what I find very interesting, worth the dollar, and all of those things. The first item I went ham on. I bought 5 of these. They are the Dollar Tree microfiber dusters. I also love that the handle is collapsible as well for easy storage, but then when you're ready to use it, you just snap it. The reason why I decided to go for these is I made a purchase off of Amazon where I bought these specific dusters to clean my blinds, but after using those, girl, it took too long, it was too tedious, and I only ended up doing 1 set of blinds because it was just it was way too much. And I was like, there's no way I could clean all of the blinds in my house using this method. And also I was finding that I was basically dragging the dust back and forth because the duster from Amazon was just kept sliding it everywhere basically. And the type of blinds that I have, you know, has like the breaks in it, I guess you could say, and it was like I was having to move and skip. It was a whole thing. I know I'm not making a lick of sense, but using the Dollar Tree duster was just so much easier. I closed the blinds one way, dust it off, and then flip the blinds the other way and dust it off, and then there we have it. So I really like this method. It just worked better for me, and that's why I decided to stock up on these. The next item I decided to get are the tea light candles. I have not bought tea light candles from Dollar Tree in a very long time. This pack comes in 16 pieces, and I just decided to get these because I thought that the lighting them up and would create a really nice fall, you know, cozy atmosphere. So that's what I wanted to get these for. Maybe I could do some around the bathtub. Maybe I could do some around my books. Obviously, these are not LED, they're real flames, so be careful with that. But that's why I decided to get those, just to kind of create a cozy vibe in the house. The next item I wanted to stock up on again is the Pure Silk Coconut Shaving Cream. This made it into Things That I'm Loving video, so in case you didn't catch that, I will link it down below for you, but I listed all the things that I've been loving, and this shaving cream made the cut because it's so good. The next item, and who's gonna be surprised that I'm gonna mention Vanessa in today's video, which, by the way, I keep getting DMs and questions on who she is, but in every video I do link her, whether right here or in the comments section. So look for her Instagram information there. I decided that because I needed to make some different cleaning solutions, I wanted to pick up a couple more of these spray bottles, and I decided to get different colors, and that will be my method of distinguishing which bottle is what. So that's why I got these. I want to do one definitely with her specific cleaning solution. That's her favorite. The one with the Fabuloso and the bleach and then whatever else she puts in it. Then I decided that I wanted to pick up the number balloons. My daughter's gonna be turning 20 in December. Oh my God, that makes me like wanna barf, but here it is. These are just really cute, you know, number balloons. They're really popular and trendy. I just thought that maybe to whatever gift I'm giving her, I could blow these up and put them like, and you know, decorate the gift bag or something like that. Then I found new puzzles, and brace yourself because this is by far the best puzzle I've ever seen come through Dollar Tree. I love the entire fall vibe on this. The pie looks delicious. The pie even has like really cute like decorations, not decorations, but a really cute look to it. And then I love the apple. I love that it's cut here. Slice of the pies over here. It's just such a good little puzzle, and I'm actually gonna start this one today. The next one is a farmer's market style with a bunch of fruit. This one looks like pretty tough. I mean, obviously it's only 500 pieces, so that's the good news. Dollar Tree does this thing if you are new to watching my Dollar Tree hauls, or if you're just kind of new to going shopping at Dollar Tree. They have some of the cutest novelty pens. I mean, I could honestly do an entire collection video on it, and I probably will, but I'll do it over on my vlog channel. But look how cute these are. Has that comic book look to it. Treat bags, which are so incredibly cute for Halloween. So this one is my favorite. This is the cutest treat bag that I think I've ever seen come through Dollar Tree, and I love absolutely everything about it. The gray background is so good, and then I love all the crescent moons, and they went with the best color combination. He does have a green bow tie, so that's really cute too that they threw green in there, but it's the only green element. I like that he's trick-or-treating. And then that death by candy. They've been using that this year for Halloween, which I really like. I really like when you can almost see like an entire cohesive collection from Dollar Tree. It's not like completely random. And then this one is really cute. I don't think it's as cute as this one for me, but you know, just a ghost coming out of a pumpkin. That's pretty interesting. I like that. I think that they maybe did a little too much on the boo. I think that if they kept the boo plain, it would have been, for me personally, it would have been better. But anyways, so there's that one. And then I got these for my niece, and I had to share them with you because my mouth dropped. But they're Play-Doh, and then they have the, are these supposed to be, yeah, they have the figure stamper on top. So they have Frozen, so you have Elsa right here. And you do use her to stamp into the Play-Doh. What? And then here's Anna. And I also found Olaf. So these are the three that I found in the entire Frozen collection, which is so impressive. These will also be great in stocking stuffers. And then I found this collection from Toy Story. Did not find Buzz Lightyear or anybody else, but I did find Bo Peep and Woody himself. So I thought that was pretty cool. And I imagine the Play-Doh is the color of this here. I'm not gonna open these up because I'm gonna let my niece open them, but I assume this is pink Play-Doh, blue, purple, white, and then the frosty blue. So those are definitely new. I've never seen those at Dollar Tree before, ever. I also picked up some new puzzles, and let me show you how cute these two are. Just the cover alone with the fruit. They are the word search puzzles. Super adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm missing one. They have a macaroon. I just noticed it on the back. But I do also have this one, which is the little pets. How freaking cute is that? So this is crossword, but let me show you the collection here on the back. I definitely have to find the macaroons. I love having puzzles on hand. I keep them everywhere. I don't know why that is. I have them upstairs in my media room, in the media closet. I have them in my nightstands. I have them next to the couch. I just love grabbing for puzzles, because if I don't put them, you know, like kind of like where I'm sitting or next to the bed, I probably won't ever use them. So I like to make sure that I put them in places where I know I sit down and, you know, just kind of relax. So I thought those were cute. Then I found this centerpiece with the pumpkin. They had a bunch of different centerpieces, and as I was going through them, I just liked this one. It was the most plain of them all, and I just really liked how chic it looked, I guess. So here's the real thing here. But yeah, so I got that. And you guys are going to flip out when I show you this. I feel like I never thought this day would come, but Dollar Tree is putting out cloches. I hope I'm saying that right. These little dome cloches, and here the bottom is just this brown, You could obviously DIY that and paint it whatever color that you want. You can see in here that they, if it would focus, they even added little lights and like moss in here. Super cute, but thought these were definitely a must pick up, and I'm sure I'll DIY those some way, somehow. Then I found some treat bags, and I couldn't pass up on them because I thought they were just way too cute. I'm gonna let my niece play with them. She likes to put things into other things kind of thing, so I'll let her put her toys in here. This one's just a pumpkin, and then this one cracked me up. Ghouls Night Out. That's just hilarious. They had a third one, a purple one. I think it had like a bat or something. I didn't really like it, so I passed up on it. But this black one is my favorite. I thought it was really cheeky. And then, also been a while, but I found a really darling little wall art piece for $1. I love the high heels with the bow on the back, so cute. I would probably take the print out and put it into something else or reframe it. Then I made a pit stop in the kitchen section and I found this navy set and it blew my mind. I have no idea how long this specific color has been sitting at Dollar Tree, but it only recently grabbed my attention, so maybe for me and my stores, this was the first time I was seeing it, because I'm sure that if I'd seen it before, I definitely would have picked this up because this navy is everything. This is my favorite shade of blue right here, and they nailed it. So I got all of the pieces that go with the collection, which is quite a bit. Honestly, this surprised me. They have black, they have like a khaki brown, they have red in terms of solid colors, but this navy one took the cake for me and I absolutely love it. The next thing that I found, while not my style, but I had to show it in today's video because I was shook. These are all of the like cooking utensils, but they did it with the marble effect. So this is definitely the first time I've been seeing this at my stores, and I got it in all of the pieces. Now, marble is too modern for me and my style in my kitchen, but I got these because I thought they would be great in a gift basket or housewarming gift. So I'm gonna tuck these away for the future, for when I can pull it out for like that reason and gift it to somebody. But the fact that I found these at Dollar Tree for $1 blew my mind. I will say, it does not say if it's dishwasher safe, and it does not say if it's BPA free. So I wanna point that out. And they also had the matching like oven mitt, pot holders. I didn't pick those up because I didn't like them. They had words on it and it wasn't even, I didn't even think the word made sense for a kitchen. It was like believe and something else, and I was just like, they were just a no for me. I just didn't like the verbiage, I guess, that they were using. It just didn't make sense for me. Then the last, are these the last things? Yes. Then I picked up these, and oh my gosh, I pick these up every once in a while, and they really do work, and they have such a good throw. Homemade apple pie. What? How cute is that? So I got 2 of these, and I'll just set these up somewhere in the kitchen. And then Glade, which by the way, they have Glade at Dollar Tree, and I found cashmere woods. I can't believe that I found this. And what kind of sparks my memory on this is I remember a long time ago when cashmere woods first came out, I believe my brother really liked the smell of the spray, like the room spray. And it is a really good smell. So I can't believe that they made it in these solid air fresheners. So I got 2 of the cashmere woods. Also very good fall scents too, by the way. Anyways, I just got a notification that the furniture is about to be delivered. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. And maybe look out on my Instagram. I might post